everyone. I hope you all are doing well. In my previous video, I have done exercise 2.2 till question number 8. In this video, I am going to continue the same exercise. I hope you all are writing and you all are understanding whatever I am teaching through these videos. And so I will continue to teach like this only. Let us see question number 9, open page number 28. So look into question number 9. Question number 9 says the age of Rahul and Harun are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years later, the sum of the ages will be 56. What are their present ages? So you have to find out the present age, and the ratio is given, and I told you whenever you will get the ratio in the question, you will write it with the variable. So first of all, I am going to take, let the present age of Rahul be, present age of Rahul be 5x and second name is Harun. So Harun be 7x. 2 ratio was given 5:7. So we have taken Rahul's age as 5x and Harun's age as 7x. 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56. So 4 years later, what will be their age? After 4 years, first of all you will write Rahul's age will be, present it is 5x, so after 4 years it will be 5x plus 4, and Harun's age will be 7x plus 4. So according to the question is saying that after 4 years their sum will be how much? See the question, their sum will be 56 years. So according to the question, 5x plus 4 means Rahul's age, and 7x plus 4, their sum will be equals to 56. Now because positive sign is there, so there will be no change when we will open the bracket. 56. So we will add the like terms, 5x plus 7x, 12x, 4 plus 4, 8 is equals to 56. So 12x, 8 will go on the right hand side, 56 minus 8, it means 48. So x is in multiplication, when it will go this side, 48 upon 12, it means 4. X value is 4. So present age you have to find out, and we have taken present age as 5x and 7x. Therefore Rahul's present age will be equals to how much? 5 into 4, that is 20 years. And Harun's present age will be 7x we have taken, so 7 into 4, that is 28 years. So this is the question, this is the solution of the given question. I hope you all have understood. Note down in your copy. Now see question number 10 in your book. The number of boys and girls in the class are in the ratio 7:5. Again it is given in the form of ratio. So what will you do? Question number 10, and firstly it is written the number of boys and girls. So let the number of boys, first ratio you will take, let the number of boys be how much? First ratio is 7, so you will take 7x, and number of girls be 7:5 is written, so it will be 5x. 7x and 5x. Now further the question is saying the number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. Suppose I am telling you, if number of girls are 5. Then they are saying that the number of boys are 8 more than the number of girls. It means when you will add 8 in number of girls, you will get the number of boys. So according to the question, what it is saying, that number of boys is 8 more than number of girls. Number of girls is how much? 5x. And when you will add 8 more, you will get the number of boys. Now like terms, this 5x will go on this side. 7x minus 5x is equals to 8. This you can write this side. 7x minus 5x is 2x and is equals to 8. X is equals to 8 upon 2, that is x is equals to 4. Therefore, number of boys is equals to 7 into 4, that is 28, and number of girls, how much you have taken? 5x. So 5 into 4, that is 20. Therefore, in the question it is saying, what is the total class strength? Therefore, total class strength, you have to add number of boys plus number of girls, that is 28 plus 20, this is 48. I hope you all have understood the question and the solution as well. Note down this also in your copy. Now come to question number 11. Question number 11 is saying, Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather. First of all, in this question I want to tell, if you are a boy or you are a girl, then you are a child. I am taking you are a child. And then your father should be elder than you. Father must be elder than you. And then grandfather is much more elder than your father. So if your age is X, and in this question it is given that Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather and 29 years older than Baichung. Suppose you are Baichung. So father is 29 years older than you. So it means X plus 29. And father is 26 years younger than grandfather. It means grandfather must be 6 years older than your father. You are suppose 2 years, your father is 29 years more than you, and your grandfather is elder than your father also. So have you all understood that this is the pattern? So in this question I am going to take, let Baichung's age be, let Baichung's age be X and Baichung's father age be, Baichung's father age be, it is given that father is 29 years older than Baichung. So 29 years. Then and Baichung's grandfather age be, grandfather age be X plus 29 plus 26. I hope you all have understood why I have taken like this. Grandfather will be older than father, so that is why again I am adding 26 to the father's age. So X plus 29 plus 26, you can write it as X plus 55. Then according to question it is saying that the sum of their ages, according to question they are saying, let us read the question again. Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather and 29 years older than Baichung. The sum of the ages of all the three is 135. So according to the question, their sum will be means X plus 29 and X plus 55. Their sum will be how much? 135. And what you have to find out? what is the age of each one of them. So open the bracket, x plus 29 plus x plus 55, because there is no negative sign outside the bracket, so simply we have opened the bracket. X plus x will be equals to 3x. 29 plus 55 will become 84, 135. So 3x will be 135 minus 84. This will be how much? 51. Now x is in 3 is in multiplication, so it will go on the right hand side as division. So x will be equals to 17. Therefore, what you will write at the end? You got the value of x. Therefore, Baichung's age was x. Therefore, Baichung's age is equals to 17 years. Baichung's father age will be equal to x plus 29, it was given. So 17 plus 29 is how much? Add it. This will be 46 years. Then Baichung's grandfather age, it was given x plus 55. Why I have written 55? Because 29 plus 26 we have added earlier only. So 17 plus 55, this is 72 years. I hope you all have understood the solution, and I am doing 2 2 3 3 question because these are long questions only. You have to do this in your copy and you have to practice it and be ready for the test also, upcoming test, which we will inform you. Till then, take care of yourself, your family, stay safe, stay healthy, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you like my videos, share it with your friends, family members. Tell others also to subscribe it. Thank you. Have a nice day.